Hello, I'm Jason from the Deepernauts. In this video, I'm going to explain to you some of the new features that are available in the 2.0.1 firmware update. Here's some of the changes in the 2.0.1 update. Very quickly, in the DPN mode tab, it is now direct routing. Makes it a little bit easier to understand. In the tunnel tab, if you select any country, your node selection mode for that region will be bound to regular. All the other locations will follow your node selection mode, but the one listed any country will be bound to regular. In the smart rules, custom domain, and custom IP, you can import and export your lists. It makes it very easy to upgrade devices. App Relocator now has 21 pages of new applications. Make sure you go through and route them anywhere you want them to go. Parental Controls has a game blocker. This will block a majority of mobile games, but in the near future will come out with a comprehensive list. In the Settings tab, any device with a Wi-Fi antenna will now have Wi-Fi logs. Also in the Settings tab, we now have a device reset. Make sure you read through this very carefully and then select device reset if that's what you wish to do to set your device back to default settings. There will soon be a video coming out and explain all of this operation, but just know that it is very difficult to do this on accident. You have to write a phrase and then your password. Lastly, we have introduced in the Tech Support tab a remote web connection. This is very specific to tech support, but if they ask you to do it, you need to go through the Tech Support tab, enable remote web connection, and then follow the instructions. It's very simple, but it's very helpful. The new firmware 2.0.1 is coming out very soon. To make sure that you get it on time, go to Device and then System Information and make sure that you have Auto Update enabled. We know that you'll enjoy 2.0.1.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.